Yes, afternoon, dear students. My name is Bong Sinao Trevilla. I'm here to represent one nation whose power arose and became branch of connected. United they stand, divided they fall. United Kingdom accomplished all. United Kingdom or Great Britain and Northern Ireland, commonly known as the United Kingdom, the UK or as Britain, is a sovereign state located on the northwestern continental Europe. It is an island country, spanning an archipelago including Great Britain, northeastern part of Ireland, and many small islands. Northern Ireland is the only part of the UK with the land border, sharing it with the representative Republic of Ireland. Apart from this land border, the UK is surrounded by Atlantic Ocean, the North Sea, the English Channel, and the Irish Sea. The largest island, Great Britain, is linked to France by Channel Tunnel. At the most recent census 2001, the total population of the United Kingdom was 58,789,000. The third largest in the European Union, the fifth largest in the Commonwealth, and the 21st largest in the world by mid-2008. This was estimated to have grown to 61,383,000 between 2001 and 2008. The population increased by an average annual rate of 0.5%. The capital of individual countries of the UK are Northern Ireland, Cardiff, Wales, Edinburgh, Scotland, the London, England. The latter is also the capital of the UK as a whole. The total area of United Kingdom is approximately 245,000 square kilometers, 94,600 square millimeters, comprising of the island of Britain. The northeastern one-sixth of the island of Ireland, Northern Ireland, and a smaller island. It lies between the North Atlantic Ocean and the North Sea, coming within 35 kilometers, 22 millimeters of the northwest coast of France, from which separated by English Channel. The UK does not endure half official language, but the predominant spoken language is English, a West Germanic language descended from Old English, with future and large number of borrowing from Old Norse. Norman, French, and Latin Christianity is a major religion, followed by Islam, Hinduism, Sikhism, and Judaism. In terms of number of adherents, the 2007 Pure Fund survey revealed 53% identified them Christian, which was similar to the 2000 British Social Attitude Survey to the 2001 census with 71.6%. Said that Christianity was their religion. The culture of United Kingdom British culture may be described as informed by its history as a developed island country, major power, and also as a political union of four countries with its preserving elements of distinctive tradition, costume, and symbolize. British literature refers to the literature associated with the United Kingdom is Isle of Man and Channel Islands, well as a literature from England. When it with a scandal prior of formation of the United Kingdom, most British literature is an English language. The United Kingdom is a famous of tradition of British imperialism a branch of philosophy of knowledge that states that only